The Ministry of Health, alongside other stakeholders, met at the Uganda Media Center to address the growing pharmaceutical sector that is to be characterized by the 4th edition of Uganda Pharma and Healthcare, Uganda's largest pharmaceutical, medical and healthcare exhibition. The public has been called upon to attend in order to support this cause and also access medical services.
The biggest focus international expo in sector in Uganda. Uganda Pharma Healthcare 2025 has the support from all major stakeholders in this sector in Uganda. It is officially supported by Ministry of Health.
I'm Nebiona Emmanuel, the Senior Public Relations Officer at the Ministry of Health, addressing the growing concerns of learners heading back to school despite an Ebola outbreak, assured the public that the ministry has put up guidelines and required SOPs that institutions must follow to avoid the spread of Ebola and Mpox diseases.
Various standard operating procedures that will be followed in schools as the pupils and students go back today. And all the institutions are already aware of all these standard operating procedures regarding the prevention and prevention of both Mpox and also the Sudan Ebola virus disease. We have already, last week, during the declaration, we outlined the signs and symptoms of Ebola virus disease, and this communication has already reached the various institutions, including schools, and we expect high level of vigilance and alertness such that we are able to get any alert that may arise in the schools.
He also warned the public against believing in false information on social media that keeps circulating regarding the increase in infections.
We've taken note that there are a number of online websites that use the outbreak of diseases to cause public anxiety and spread false information. So we would like to appeal to you to help us detect that fake information and verify it with the Ministry of Health, because a number of websites, mostly those that are online with faceless characters, tend to use this opportunity to mislead the public.
Dr. Nachoni Maria Goretti, the Publicity Secretary for the Uganda Dental Association, also identified the increased cases of oral health issues, especially among children, that have risen due to different factors. She urged the public to take part in the exhibition.
I need to note that unfortunately, most of our Ugandans are not aware of the need to visit dentists, probably because they don't find it as important. So a few years ago, the statistics were a bit lower, but now they have actually gone higher. And the latest statistics that were being shown was that in children, the rate of caries, dental caries, which are cavities in teeth, was above 40%. And that of adults was above 62%. But that is even for minute populations that were able to participate in the study. We've not yet had a national oral health survey to get what is happening at a household level and community level and in all districts. And why are caries or dental caries, what we call cavities or holes in teeth, on the increase of late in children is because it all comes from we, the parents.
Grace Sally Chiwanuka, the Executive Director of the Uganda Healthcare Federation, explained the importance of the exhibition, citing that it bridges the gap between Uganda and the countries that provide medicines.
So this is an opportunity for us to tie all those pieces together and give Ugandans an opportunity that they would not ordinarily get without going to the 6 different countries that are partnering with us to have this event. This unique opportunity allows us to bring all these stakeholders from the different countries together, to allow them to network, to learn from each other, and to see how we can spur growth in the pharmaceutical sector in Uganda so that we can do more for our citizens without having to allow for a deficit that forces them to travel outside of the country to access medicines, commodities, and other supplies that are essential to our health system.
The 4th edition of Uganda Pharma and Healthcare, Uganda's largest pharmaceutical, medical and healthcare exhibition, will be taking place from 13th to 15th February 2025 at the multi-purpose hall in Numasho Grounds, Lugogo, Kampala, Uganda.